This is the STORYCOAST Polarized Sports Sunglasses 2-pack. So what you get with this is a little screwdriver that comes with it. You get one bag and you get a little cloth here for cleaning them. I'm kind of an aficionado of lower figure sunglasses, and I like these, and I'll tell you why. They're put together really well. It says it's made out of an unbreakable material. I haven't tested that. I don't think I'm going to. And it says it's made out of an unscratchable glass. Again, haven't tested that. But I got this 2-pack so I could put one in my car and one for dog walking. And I'll tell you right now, they block out the sun really well. As a matter of fact, it's the time of the year where we have lower sunlight, and I actually have trouble reading my phone with these on, but it definitely blocks the sun out really well. Another thing I really like about this is they've actually got a couple of screws on here. There's one right here, and there's one underneath on both sides of this for adjusting the hinge tension and adjusting the, I guess the way it grips to the outside here. But totally cool. They fit tight to my head. If I were to ride a motorcycle with these on, this would be perfect because they just fit so well. But for what I got them for, I'm really happy with these. It was a good pickup for me, and they look durable enough that they're gonna last me a long time.